Hello, auto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Automoto Network. I'm your name, and today we've got some exciting news from the world of automobiles. The popular British-built Nissan Juke is getting a midlife refresh, and it's packed with impressive updates. Let's dive into the details. Nissan is turning heads with a striking yellow exterior color option, a callback to the first-generation Juke. The new N Sport grade adds dynamic qualities to both the exterior and interior, bringing a fresh and bold look to the Juke lineup. The Juke's interior is getting a significant makeover. Designers and engineers have revamped the center console and instrument panel, elevating the overall ambience of life on board. The materials, trim, and fit and finish have all been upgraded, ensuring a top-notch experience. Connectivity takes center stage with a larger touchscreen and additional features. The infotainment system gets an upgrade with improved voice recognition, natural language understanding, and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The N Sport grade brings a matching yellow highlight to the interior, creating a cohesive and eye-catching design. From the instrument panel to the seats, the N Sport edition exudes style and attitude. Interior convenience is a priority with features like a wireless charging pad, USB-A and USB-C sockets, and updated storage solutions. The rear seats now come with USB-A and USB-C charging points for tech-savvy passengers. New exterior color options, including pearl white and pearl black, add a touch of sophistication. The wheel trims receive a redesign, offering unique designs for each grade. Safety gets a boost with the standard intelligent driver alertness, optional lane keep assist, and enhanced rear-view camera resolution. The Juke now flashes brake lights during hard braking for added safety. Under the hood, the Juke retains its powertrain options. The electrified Juke Hybrid provides a fun-to-drive experience with improved fuel efficiency. The non-electrified option features a peppy 1.0-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. The updated Juke is proudly rolling off the production line at Nissan Sunderland plant, showcasing over 13 years of UK production excellence. And there you have it, the refreshed Nissan Juke with its bold design, enhanced interiors, and advanced technology. What are your thoughts on these updates? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more updates on Automoto Network.